I'll show you the bathroom first. Here you get the toilet papers and a washing machine. Washing machine is very standard 5 kilogram washing machine, 2 hand towel, and then you get hand wash gel. This is a heater built on the wall, and then you get a shower panel. I'll show you this. You get a giant mirror, some hooks to hang your clothes. Now we'll move to the main room area. Here you get a couch or a sofa, a TV with some limited channels, and then you get some basic tea and coffee sachet in this one, some drawers and ironing, just the iron, not the ironing board, dining table, pretty cozy enough. This is the kitchen. You get a kettle, all the basic tools. And here's some cups. Some plates and a microwave and a mini size fridge, dishwasher here. Then there is a lamp, and here is your outdoor patio or a balcony area. Room now from the living hall. As you can see, they have provided a double bed, and the blankets are there. In case of winter, there is already a heater installed in the room. You just need to switch this on from the knob on this side. And then they have provided 2 lamps and an almirah with some hangers in it, an extra blanket in case you need it.